Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have another episode on mechanical tips. So this is what we call the arm. Okay, this is usually a very sensitive part. You see, this is what we call the bushes. The bushes helps to reduce the vibrations. So in case your car has an issue with noises when you are cruising, this can be the cause. See, so these bushes have been in service for more than 2 years and they are worn, so we need to replace these with new ones. So we have that, and this is what we call the ball joint. As you can hear, it has a very bad noise, so in case you are moving in the car produces such a noise. And the pre, this is what we causes the noise. You see, this is what we call the ball joint. Okay, you can place with either new one or X Japan, depends on what you prefer. You see, this press causes a lot of noise. So after that, I'm going to this other bush here. This also needs to be replaced. As you can see, this is very worn, also needs to be replaced. So we have also this now. After replacing the bushes and the ball joint, you see now the bush is working. It's very new. See, has no press and the rubber isn't worn. This is what we call the ball joint now. See, it's very stiff now and it can't move like the other one. So the car is now going to be fixed, and it's going to run for the next maybe 1+ years or maybe 2 years. Remember, we used the original parts for this. So you can reach out to us in case you need such service, and we will help you fix your car. So I'll leave at that. Remember to subscribe. Remember, we also do ECU repairs, tuning, also direct DPF. We also do crash data, roast keys, and all sorts of programming on cars. Kevin Auto Insider. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.